That's right, it's that time of year again where I dress up like a plum for your entertainment. No, I'm not Gandalf. No, I'm not Hagrid's sister. And no, I'm not Dolly Parton if she stopped dyeing her hair blonde. It's me, it's Katie. I'm under here, and my goodness, this is itchy. This uses a recipe we've seen before. If you click this video up here, did it for charity once, but we're going to show you how you can manipulate something that's already in your catalogue to suit the holiday season. That's it. Halloween has come, Halloween has arrived. Look how beautiful this place is. Thank you, Ruth. It's gorgeous. So we're going to be making Rice Krispie marshmallow pumpkins, and they're so easy and so much fun to make. And actually this recipe, credit where credit's due, is Auntie Jill's. Thanks, Auntie Jill, you're a legend. In a pan on a low heat, we're going to drop in equal quantities of butter. So I've gone for 150 grams, 150 grams of marshmallows, and 150 grams of Werther's Originals, or any sort of kind of toffee candy. I did not unwrap these beforehand, but that's okay because they do come undone. Sorry. Let me grab a spooky spoon. Is there a way of punning that? A spook. When you wear this much makeup, you instantly do look terrifying. Like if I do this to camera, with a couple of sound effects and, you know, black and white. Shall I go again? Did I look scared, or did I look like I was the one scaring? Shall I do it? Let me turn to camera and be like, yeah? Okay. It's like I'm auditioning for the remake of The Witches.
Welcome to my cauldron. So in my cauldron, you'll see that we have all of the delicious sweets, which are going to give you cavities.
At first, it is going to look like scrambled eggs, okay? And it's going to look very concerning, and you're going to be like, Katie, it's not working. And I'm going to go, guys, it's fine. Whilst that's melting away, you need to weigh yourself out the same proportion of Rice Krispies or rice cereal. I've got, again, 150 grams. So once everything's amalgamated, at this point we want to colour it. So we're going to go for an orange. So I'm going to go for a squirt of yellow. Oh, it looks like blood.
Blah, blah.
I'm bleeding. I think that's a good colour as well. It's looking very much like pumpkin. Now we're going to add in our Rice Krispies. Just mix it all together. You're going to take your mixture and you're going to help yourself out by tipping it out onto a cool surface. Ooh. And you're looking for it to cool. Now, we don't want it to set completely, so just let it cool naturally at room temperature. But we want it to cool so that it's malleable enough to handle. At the moment, it's just so warm and sticky that it's all just going to fall apart. Oh, it tastes great though. I'll see you in a bit. So now it's beautifully cool. It's the perfect texture to squidge together into our little pumpkins. And what I've got here are these gorgeous little curly whirlies. Did you ever have those as a kid? And I'm going to sandwich that in the middle to create our pumpkin stalk. And that's as easy as it is, just to create your little edible pumpkins. How cool are they? And you can choose to make them as rustic, as big, as small, as whatever the heck you fancy. Oh, this stuff is like Play-Doh. We're going to draw some little Halloween faces on using some very simple writing pens. And again, this is so much fun if you don't want the mess of pumpkin carving. How cute are they? I'm also going to put a little bit of green as a leaf. So simple. And super delicious, and super quick, and super fun. Guys, I hope you give these a go this Halloween. Absolutely delicious. I can vouch for the old Rice Krispies no end. That is Rice Krispies in hair though right now. If you give these a go, please tell me on social media at the Katie Picks. I'd love to see what you've done. Have yourself a very happy Halloween, and I will see you ghoulish creatures next week. Bye!